To hide a section in Wix easily, start by going to www.sex.com and signing into your account. Once logged in, click Edit Site to open your website in the Wix editor. The next step is to enable Dev Mode, which gives you access to advanced customization tools. On the top menu, click Dev Mode, then select Turn On. After enabling it, locate the default values or the section you want to work with on your page. Click on that specific section to highlight it. In the Settings panel or Code area, you can select the option to collapse or hide the section when needed. This is useful if you want to temporarily remove content without deleting it entirely. You can easily make it visible again by changing it back to expanded. Once you've adjusted your section's visibility, click Preview to test how it looks on your site. If everything works perfectly, hit Publish to save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a section in Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.